Riri Meneses, the former UST center of power, because she was manning that middle so well. That's blocked, but kept it in play, and they swing it high. Yan ang sinasabi ng mga coaches, when you give a free ball, make it sky high. But this blast, handled well by the back row. Back row attack, no problem. First long rally, ginawa ng paraan ni Tubo. Quick. Magmimerienda ba muna tayo? Ayaw matapos ito. Ayun, kept alive. Tagal ito.
Oh, still alive.
Oo nga. Tubo. Romero.
Wow.
Ha?
Good defense.
10 passes na ito. Ha? Mahigit. Sige. Dikit sa net. Nabor. Adjust.
Oh, nabitin.
Oh, yes.
But nagawa ng paraan. We saw her approach na hindi niya ina-expect yung pipe attack na yun.
System nag-failed and somebody was not in a proper position there. Track down. And it's on the floor. Frankfurt gets its 4th point. Tobino will be in the spotlight to serve. 14-11. Good stretch for the ball from the back row. Too hot.
Ganda ng back row na yun for Royce Tobino. Back-to-back points for Farm Fresh.
Meron certain muscles sa volleyball you really don't need it. But this one, she's perfectly toned for the game now. Kaya lakas ng output niya. In the meantime, the set. Good set up. Tinaas. Hinabol ni Pepito. Sinarang pinturo.
That was a very good block for Farm Fresh. Sarado yung cross court.
Okay. Didn't know that. Anyway, here comes the serve.
Oh, good serve.
Yes, right into the middle. Uy, hindi na palo. Riri is a fake. The dig and Pahan scores neatly. We're tied at 15. Now just gave them a 2-point lead. Inside the open spot, Tubo connects again. It's 2019.
Aragalang now in for Farm Fresh.
Oh, first time ni Ara to see action. Pinalo. And too hot to handle. Aragalang now serving.
Oh,
Very deep on that one. Here comes a free ball from Adorador. Airborne. Tubo gets to it. Reversed by Romero. Caught nicely that time. And that'll work. And we are done with the first set.
good first set here for Capital One. Ganda ng start nila. They were able to close this first set.
As PBL on tour comes to its conclusion here today. First attack.
One-handed dig.
Lumipad. Inabot. And napatasan sa likod. And Pepito unable to keep it in play.
That was a good connection between Romero and Meneses with that quick hit.
Don't forget, later on in the afternoon, Galleries will face Queenline. And this one is still in play. Nabor sets this up. And airtight defense now by Farm Fresh, sealing it, and they're ahead.
Maganda yung naging talon doon ni Jimenez. Parang nabitin siya sa approach niya. Ang bilis ng dating ng bola sa...
Meneses serves. Tinaas. Si Pepito. Huli ka. Alay. Ang layo.
Nice communication there on the side of Capital One.
Huwag mong gagalawin yan. Here comes Madrigal. Caught by Galang. Big shot. Ganda ng basa.
Capital One, so that was a good target for her.
21-15 tally here. Dink. Kept in play by Polinada. Iris gets to it. Galang shoots away. Nicely done.
Ang ganda ng quick hit na yon.
Itong Capital One. Ito naman, dikit tayo sa net. Cross is one against the grain there. Corvina says, keep it up. Kombinasyon. And we're done.
Diniin na lang ni Mylene pa at sa cross-court yung palo na yon. There was no cross-court block.
Philippines, #1 sugar supplier to many countries. In the meantime, back to sports. And quick point scored by Farm Fresh.
I'm sure, Paneng, you've had experience with, let's say, the PVL. And what do you think when, you know, you're playing on a real conference and it's an on-tour season?
13-12 po tayo. Twisting set.
Oh, that was too near.
Alanganin, ano? Pinalo. Doon na lang natin idaan. Egg on his team. Ay, dikit. Problemado. Ginawa ng paraan. Tinaas. Inabot. The set. The attack. Blocked. Lifted high. One more time around the block. Got to it. The crowd creeping into the action. Tagal-tagal ito. Second longest rally here.
Oh, tight set.
Ginawa na lang. Inover na lang. Hindi pinilit.
Oh! That was a smart move by Niegos. Ang lalakas ng mga palo earlier. And Farm Fresh was waiting for strong hits.
Lambutan kaya natin ngayon. Hello! 6 straight points. Oy!
Over ball.
And they get a point by the oddest of ways, but they'll take it just to end that drought. 24-19.
Nice serve.
Ganda ng direksyon. Inside, 1 set point save. Big 7-0 run in this third, creating this gap in favor of Capital One.
Mababa yung set.
Yes, it was. This one is inside.
They had a good first ball as well.
24-22. Sloppy passing there.
Oh, good defense by Galang.
Nabor. And that should do it.
All ended by that opposite hit by Kai Cepada.
Who has been a contributor in the third set for Capital One. I-address dito sa fourth set para hindi na mangyari yung nangyari sa third set.
But I think they had a lot of errors then nung third set. And one of the evident errors na nakita natin medyo naka-affect din sa parang focus nila.
Hindi malaman kung ano sasabihin eh. So then Coach Koji just said, okay, that's enough. We get back on the court. Let's sort it out. This one in play. Onto recovered nicely that time by Dorendes. Nice set. But recovered by the back row. The strike. Yes, it's 3-0.
Good start by Farm Fresh.
And saka matutulog din kayo. Roommates yung iba. Ugali ng bawat isa nakakikilala. Look at this. Farm Fresh re-establishing its authority in this game. Tinaas. Off the block. Picked up by Marina. Pushed into that open space.
It was a delayed block from Cherry Nunag, but still,
Hirap yung 20 na.
Hindi na mahirap makakuha ng puntos or dikit-dikit.
Alanganin.
But
Ginawa
good
ng parang,
coverage.
lunod pero naiahon. Oh, yes sir! Chance.
Oh.
Yes.
Short ball.
Oo. Tagulo kayo dyan, sabi ni Louie. One more time around the block.
I think the set was low for Arce.
24-12, set point. 1 set point save. And here we go.
Yes.
Why not? As sweet as the sugar from these parts, we're going to a delicious fifth set to decide on who will take this game on tour.
Kaganda rin ang mga depensa ni Ara.
Oh, she's played a great all-around game. Regalo burned by Riri Meneses. Hala, anybody's match. Hello! Ito na si Ara.
Oh!
Oh!
Service ace!
Number 3 yata yun.
I think it was number 3.
I see your arm. I hit it there. Diba? Hello! Ang daming sources ng points itong Francis. Eh?
Yes.
Mylene Pat, Rezanova will serve. Adorador receive. Ooh, alanganin si Padagatsu. Here comes the set. What a crafty move by Cez Molina.
Kanina pa sila palo ng palo.
Match point tayo.
Easy serve.
One hand on it. Chance to finish it up. No, not yet. And we are done. Oh, ito. Partner. Ay.
Meron ba?
Ay. Sige.
There was a block touch.
Sige. In the future of loaded capital one teams, one and there. Everybody back. And we are done. I don't think we're going to have an argument or a challenge with that. The Farm Fresh with a 5-set win. In a way, comeback na down sila 2-1 no? Dito sa match na ito.
Yes.
Okay, Pure Gold always panalo. Play of the set. Brought to you by Pure Gold. So Pure Gold always